Broken arm. Smashed up nose. Okay, let's get on back home.
I said, driver, can you take me home? Is this the fastest way?
Dude, you got it. You're a cat. You got 9 lives, man. I'm going to put your back together again. Holy crap. So here I am, guys. I found a FIMI X8. Pretty beat up, as you can see it. And it fell from this tree right up there, the sycamore, that maple right behind me, right up here over my shoulder. That's where it was stuck, at the tippity top. But it looks like everything's okay. SD card's in it. Yeah, everything's in it. Yeah, so the FIMI is going to get repaired and it's going to live again. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. Able to find it. Wow. Crazy winds. Guys, this is the tree that my drone got stuck in, and it blew, the wind has been blowing so hard. So I got up early, 5:30 in the morning, and here I am looking for the drone. And guess what I see? The freaking drone. This guy has so many lives. I just can't believe it. It's pretty beat up, it looks like. The battery came off. Looks like I broke another leg. Yeah, it's looking like a sad shape, right? So there it is. And this is the tree that was stuck in. But I recovered it. I wonder how beat up it is. Oh, it hit face first. It looked like it broke one motor. And the battery's here. No. Time to repair the FIMI again. Holy crap, it hit hard. Alright. Well, the only saving grace is this. It's the front arm that broke. Wow. Looks like the camera's okay. Broken arm. Smashed up nose. Okay, let's get on back home.
Driver, can you take me home? Is this the fastest way?
Dude, you got it. You're a cat. You got 9 lives, man. I'm going to put you back together again. Holy crap. Can't believe it, guys. Can't believe it. So, the saga or the story of this car, of this drone continues. Wow. So here I am, guys. I found a FIMI X8, pretty beat up as you can see it, and it fell from this tree right up there, the sycamore, that maple right behind me, right up here over my shoulder. That's where it was stuck, at the tippity top. But it looks like everything's okay. The SD card's in it. Yeah, everything's in it. Yeah, so the FIMI is going to get repaired and it's going to live again. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. Able to find it. Wow. Crazy winds. Crazy, crazy winds. I got it back. I'm so happy. At least I got the footage back. I put the video together that I was working on, which was the comparison of the ND filters between the FIMI X8 and the Xeno 2. Yeah, so I'm going to put everything back and head on out of here.
I said, driver, can you take me home? Is this the fastest way?